The TRACA is to conclude our town festivity known as Santa Tecla, and the activities carried out during these 9 days. Every 25th of September, at 12:15, once the choreography is finished, the TRACA takes place. It is a pyrotechnic show running through the Rambla Nova, from the Despullats statue to Relé de Llúria's statue, at the end of the Rambla. Once this show begins, the bravest run very fast, while the firecrackers, tied to a long rope located on the trees, explode above their heads, producing a deafening noise. They were all clothed in a distinctive hat. When people arrive to the Mediterranean balcony, they can see a gorgeous show of fireworks in the dark sky, and also a fire castle which lightning the letters Visca Santa Tecla, which means Hooray Santa Tecla. When the fire from the letters extinguishes, we can say that Santa Tecla's celebrations have ended and we start looking forward to next year to enjoy again.